Alright, in this video I'm going to be preparing the tub and shower area. I'm going to start out by removing the old tub's drain. This drain reduced in size into a coupling, and that tub in the past didn't drain very well, so that might have been part of the problem. So when I replace the drain for the new tub, I'm going to use a coupling that doesn't reduce down in size. Now here in the middle of this wall, there was a couple of studs that had some molding on the front. I believe the studs are still pretty good overall, but I want to go ahead and remove all of that surface mold. And then I'm going to be building a frame that I'm going to slide in and attach in that opening to add a couple of 2x4 studs to double up against the studs that had some molding on them, and to make sure that that wall is nice and sturdy for the long run. And I'm going to be replacing all of the nail guards. So now I'm going to apply some shellac primer on the surfaces that had some molding. Now I'm going to be installing Rockwool insulation on the exterior wall. And then the two side walls, which are interior walls, I'm going to be installing Rockwool sound insulation. So it's two different products, but they're both made out of Rockwool. Now this Rockwool is going to be held in place after I put up the backer board for the tile, but underneath the tub area it's really just setting inside those cavities. So I'm going to go ahead and run a plastic stringer here and staple it in place, and that's going to help make sure that that Rockwool stays put over the years. Might not be needed, but it's a good measure. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one and take it easy.